Today, I'll be showing you how to get free Microsoft Rewards points fast. First thing that we're going to do is go to Google and type in Chrome Web Store. And once you're here, you're going to go to this second result. And that will take you to this page right here. And we're going to just search for Rewards Search Automator. Click on the first result right here. And then you'll just click on Add to Chrome and add extension. And then you'll want to go ahead and click on this puzzle icon up here and then go ahead and pin the Reward Search Automator like so. Now we're going to go back to Google and type in Microsoft Rewards. And we're going to go into this site right here, Welcome to Microsoft Rewards, Bing. And you'll just go ahead and sign into your desired account. So once you're all signed in, it will take you to this sort of dashboard. We're going to go ahead and click on Points Breakdown right here, and then click on PC Search. Now that you're here, we're going to scroll up to the extension that you downloaded earlier. Click on it and click Agree. And now you can click on it again. And I'm going to make the desktop searches 10 and the mobile searches 0. The minimum delay, we'll keep it at 15, and max, I'm going to switch that to 20. And then you can go ahead and click on search. And this Chrome extension will essentially search these items for you so that you don't have to do it. And as you can see, if I go back to Microsoft Rewards page, it's going ahead and giving us points for these, so it does count. And I hope this did help you guys out. If it did, drop a like and subscribe. It's been your boy Havoc here, and I'm out.